Today we're diving into the Samsung 64GB DDR4 SDRAM memory module, part number M3938G40EB2CWE. This is a single 64GB RAM module, designed specifically for high-performance server and workstation systems. With speeds up to 3200 MHz, it's categorized as PC4-25600 or PC4-3200A, making it an excellent choice for applications requiring high data throughput and reliability. One of the standout features of this module is its ECC registered (RDIMM) functionality. ECC, or error correcting code, is essential for servers and workstations where data integrity is critical. This feature helps detect and correct internal data corruption, reducing the risk of data loss or system crashes. The registered aspect ensures stability and reliability, particularly in systems with large amounts of memory, by buffering the control signals to the memory. This particular RAM module is 2x4, meaning it is dual rank with 4 data groups. This configuration is known to offer better performance and reliability than single rank modules. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard and operates at 1.2V, making it energy efficient without compromising performance. It's important to note that this RAM is not compatible with desktop PCs or laptops. It's specifically engineered for select DDR4 capable servers and workstations. This means that if you're looking to upgrade a personal computer, this is not the module for you. However, if you're running a server or a high-end workstation that demands robust and reliable memory performance, this Samsung module could be the perfect fit. In terms of build quality, Samsung is a leading name in the memory industry, known for its rigorous testing and quality assurance processes. You can expect this module to deliver exceptional performance over its lifespan. The 288-pin DIMM form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of server motherboards. In conclusion, the Samsung 64GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC registered RAM is a top-tier choice for those looking to upgrade their server or workstation memory. With its high-speed performance, energy efficiency, and ECC registered capabilities, it offers a reliable and powerful solution for handling intensive computational tasks. If data integrity and system stability are your top priorities, this RAM module stands out as one of the best options available on the market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.